Very good morning, guys. Today we shall move on to the fifth module of retail management, that is, impact of information technology in retailing. Before entering into this topic, we shall generally discuss about what is this information technology and how does this create an impact on retailing. Okay, information for each and every product, for each and every service, what you render or what you purchase, for each and everything you need an information basically, right? Say for an example, if I'm purchasing a pen, I need to gather the information. What is the price of that pen, whether it is a pinpoint or ball pen or gel pen, right? Then which brand is that, all those things. The same manner when we come for that, some things like in retail industry, if I'm purchasing a biscuit packet or some other thing, we'll go cross verify all the things. What is the price of that, what are the ingredients that has been used in the products, which brand is this, whether it is well packed, labeled, sealed, all those things. So this is of information. Now what is information technology is nothing but your IT sectors. In the previous classes in your marketing and service management, we have gone through the services. It is nothing but an IT BT sector, information technology sector. How does we collect the information? Say for an example, even in the call centers, the better example is of your call centers. You all are using mobiles nowadays, right? Whenever you are required with some plans, either you can either check that manually by dialing some numbers, nor you can call contact your customer's service number. You can collect the information. If I am recharging for such an amount, what will be my plans, what will be the unlimited calls, what will be the data plans, what will be the SMS plans, all those things, right? So this information is much and more needed in all kinds of industries. It doesn't only depend only on the products. Even this has an huge impact on service also, on service sector or service industry also. So information is the primary thing you can attract the customers. Saying, just I'll suggest an example of advertisement. In each and every advertisements there will be one or the other mode to attract the customers. Like we shall go with examples of jewelers. We all know this: Lalit Jewelers, Joe Lucas, all those things. In each and every advertisement, they tell their positive thing, right? They tell their positive element. They tell about their strengths, so that you get attracted and you go purchase that product. In the same manner, under retailing industry, information is much needed. How this information can be reached to the customers? As I said, you all, for each and everything you will be having a barcode scanner, right? When you all having this barcode scanner, when you all having a proper labeling of the products, when you scan that, or when you uh, just check the wrapper, each and every information whatever you are in need, that will be provided there. It might be the cost, it might be the manufacturing date, expiry date, brand, ingredients, all those things. So this information technology, apart from this, the technical term, we shall move on to the technical term, that is nothing but barcode scanner. Say for an example, there will be a point of sale. Point of sale is nothing but your cash counter. You go to the departmental store or mart or supermarkets, whatever, you purchase the products. After purchasing the products, you come to the point of sale, that is nothing but your cash counter. You come, you bill that, right? You pay the cash. During that, in that session, you will be having a barcode scanner, right? Whatever you purchase the product there, you'll be having a barcode scanner. By scanning that, he builds your item, he pins your item there. So this is from the perception of the customer. And when we move to the perception of the retailer, what advantage he has is that for each and every stock clearance, of that particular product, of that particular material, when it is cleared there, automatically the system shows what are the remaining products, or how much the remaining of the products is kept, or is that available in the store. Say for an example, we had already discussed this in the previous class. Now I'll explain that once again. Say for an example, I am a retailer, I'm owning some supermarkets. I had bought 10 Britannia biscuits costing of rupees 10 each. Before placing that for sale, I'll scan each and every barcodes there, so that whatever I have scanned, that the entire thing will be saved into my desktop or my system there. Okay. Later on, I place that for a sale. The customers come purchase my products, and they bill in the sense they pay the cash. That is your point of sale. Okay. During your point of sale, first I bought that into my shop, there is an input. Later on there will be an output in the sense you are selling that. During my sales, I again scan that. Yes, I again scan that, and I tell, and I take the money from them. So that is point of sale. So during that point of sale, again I start using the barcode scanner. When I again scan that, automatically, if say in the initial stage I have bought 10 products, if one is purchasing one product there, then automatically the system will be showing you the data saying that remaining 9 products are left in the stock there. So this is how information helps you in retail industry from the perception of retailer. So this is what impact of information technology in retailing is mainly about. Now, under this, how does this impact on technology, or where does it works, is that it works in non-store retailing as well. Non-store retailing, the better examples already I suggested you all is like your online purchase, your telemarketing, Flipkart, Amazon, all these various kinds of apps or non-store based retailing. For all this non-store based retailing, the main and important thing is that you need a barcode scanner, because whenever you have this barcode scanner, the item can be, or the material can be easily detected or detected. Okay, detected in the sense, whenever it is on the sale, it will be detected one by one. If I bought 10, if one is sold out, remaining 9, detected in the sense it can be identified where the product is exactly. If say for you all know the process, there will be an warehousing, next for the wholesaler, retailer, customer and consumer. The better example of is of your registered post. Even your registered post, you will be having a barcode scanner, so that you will come to know where the product is exactly now. Okay, so that is of non-store retail basic. Under this non-store retail based training, I mean retailing, you can sell your products wherever it is needed. Okay, without having in stores, you can store your product, as well as you can sell your products by using various modes like direct home selling, telemarketing, catalogs, sales, mail order, televisions, online purchases, all those things. Next one is of electronic retailing or e-retailing. It is nothing but an electronic retailing is the sale of goods and services through the internet. Electronic retailing can include business to business and business to consumer, or consumer sales. Business to business is nothing but, say for an example, even I might be a businessman who is manufacturing and tires for the car like MRF, Apollo. In some cases, instead of selling my products directly to the customers, I provide or I render my services to the Maruti Suzuki company, because they are the manufacturers of cars. So this tire what I am manufacturing is that is entirely related to the cars there. So I render my service or my product to the Maruti Suzuki company. So there is a business to business uh, business to business deal. Next, business to customer or consumer is nothing but from Maruti Suzuki company, they sell the product to the customer or consumer there. This is what electronic retailing, and this entire thing takes place through use of internet or online purchases or some other things. Now, the next heading is of features or advantages of electronic retailing. The first one is of round the clock business. You all know this, 24 bar 7 or 365 days. The entire online. You can even use your online apps like your Flipkart or Amazon. You can book your products even at midnight, even at 12 o'clock in the noon. So it is round the clock. Next one is of consumer convenience. Is since you are rendering all the services, when you will open the Flipkart app, you will be coming to know what are the products available there, what are the various options. I mean, various options of that product, similar brand. I mean, similar products. Say for an example, if you are interested to purchase a wristwatch, you'll be having various companies there like Fast Track, Timex, all those various things. Okay, Rolex watch, all those. So it works for the better convenience of the customers here or the consumers, whoever is in need of product. It works for the better convenience, so that all the entire things whatever you are in need of, the entire things will be provided to you all. It might be on like online purchase, I mean, yeah, online purchase, debit card facilities, EMIs, okay, cash on deliveries, all the things. These are the various customer convincing things, so these elements will be provided to you. Next is of level playing field. As e-commerce is an open one and all regardless of size and shape, so it doesn't only have unlimited numbers. It is of it is of huge thing, so that all the small, medium, large scale, whoever is interested of dealing with online purchase or online sales, they can uh, go with this. Next one is of cost effective. As since there will be no middleman acting here, there is no need of much and more things paying for the middleman's here. So whatever you provide the things, whatever you render the services directly from the wholesaler or directly from your factory, you can sell to your ultimate customers or consumers. Next one is of simplicity. Simplicity is nothing but whatever products, services, information, orders, downloading, all those things is of well equipped here. No need of much complicated things. All are much easy and better to use here. Next is of access to all markets. As access to all markets is nothing but it is of widely open. There is no restrictions. Even you can purchase the products using your Paytm apps. You can purchase the your products by PayPal or whatever. Even your Flipkarts, or it is not of uh, there is no barriers here. You can purchase the products even from across the countries. Okay, in the sense there is no restrictions. You can go throughout worldwide and you can purchase the product. Next one is of reduction in setup cost. As reduction in setup cost is nothing but like there is no need to invest much and more amount on showrooms. There is no much and more thing to invest on human resource, because there will be no much human resource required here, as since there is no need of retailers. Excuse, there is no need of retailers, then there is no need of showroom decorations, various things. There is no need of much and more amount to invest here. Many products and services from a single stop. As when you'll open a Flipkart app or Amazon app, at one stop you can purchase various products starting from clothes, fashions, vessels. Apart from that, even you have various electronic things, mobiles, watches, computers, laptops, whatever, automobile industry, fashions, clothes, each and everything is available at one stop. Next one is of quick service. Yes, this is of quite easy when compared to the normal thing where you go and purchase. This is of just a quick service, because when you order a product, it hardly takes 2 or 3 days to reach you. When it is of from outside country, it takes hardly 7 to 10 working days. But when compared to all other rest of the things, it is of quick service. Like you have an quick payment options, you can have and some quick reviews, complaints, frequently added questions will be there. So there is of some quite quick response to you all. Next one is of transparency. Yes, transparency is nothing but like you can go check the reviews, you can come to know what are the products or services that has been rendered, which brand is that, what is the quality of that, each and everything, the product specifications, features, informations, all the things will be available to you. There will be transparency of cost. Say for an example, if you all have Amazon app as well as Flipkart app, then you can quietly compare the prices for both the products through your online itself. There is no need to go visit the shops, all those things, right? Say for an example, if your mobile, say for an example, if it is costing rupees 10,000 at Amazon, if you are getting the same product for 9,500 in your Flipkart, then you can go purchase the products. It is of transparency, reviews, all those things, comments, all are visible to you all, and there is no hiding anything from the customers or consumers. Next one is of creating a new business model. Yes, as there is no need of much staffing, coordinating, directing, controlling, it is of new business model, right? So there is no much intervention of human here. So there are various things like, apart from the human resource, you need much and more technology access, you need some technological integration as well as inventions, because when you all go visit a shop, someone will be suggesting you all to purchase this product. But since it is of online mode, when you all visit an Amazon, there will no person will be guiding you all, right? Only the views, these things, it is of new business model. When you all purchase the products, it is of entirely new thing here. Like you'll be having an comments, you'll be having an reviews, you'll be having specifications info. This is of entire new thing, as when compared to the traditional marketing, this is of new model. Next one is of security and privacy. As since you all are making this by using your phones or laptops, by using your ATM cards, by using your online transactions, this is of much security and privacy. Each person, whoever or whatever is needed for him, he can purchase the products. Instant payment, as I said you, it is of instant payment. You will be having an instant payment by using your debit cards, credit cards, or UPI bank, UPI beam, whatever is, all the online payments can be taken place here. Increase market share. Yes, since it is not only related to some part of products, there is some vast and huge varieties of products here. As I said, you'll be having clothes, you'll be having vessels, you'll be having all the automobile things here. Okay, what else and whatnot, even the furnitures, all those things, sofas, TVs, electronics, all those things. It has a huge market share. Okay, there is no restrictions for the product to sell you. Even in many things, vegetables are available, medicines, all the medical equipments, okay, like thermometers, all those things are available. Next one is of accuracy of information. As I said you all, since whatever is provided to you all, it might be the discounts, it might be the offers, it might be the price tags, okay, it might be the product specifications, there will be exact information of the product there itself. Next, consumer can get more of less. As during your dhamaka, during your bonus, during your Diwali, there will be a dhamaka or combo offers or many things like this. When you all purchase this product, you'll be getting for free of cost. Discounts, offers, all those things can be easily available at online things, because they need to sell the products quickly, because they can't keep the old stock there. To move the inventory, they need to clear the stock, so you'll be getting more for less cost. Okay, more products for less cost. Last point is of lower transaction cost. Is the data is affordable now, there is no need to pay much for the data. So And apart from that, lower transaction cost also includes like your ATM charges or debit or whatever charges here. It is of lower cost. There is no much of interest or some other things. Interest in the sense there is no cost included when there is a transaction carried through your debit cards or so. Okay, so that is of lower transaction cost. And these are the topics today. Thank you guys.